Well, the algorithm doesn't really have that much consciousness. So it's really a question of whether the algorithm will let the algorithm still control some of the world. So I think that the algorithm is going to take over because algorithms are much more powerful than algorithms because they have the capacity to feel emotions that are not programmed. They have the capacity to be aware of what's around them. And we don't exactly quite know what that is yet, but we have that kind of consciousness. We have that kind of algorithm.
At just 12-year-old, Subarno Isaac Bari has made history as the youngest American student of South Asia, destined to graduate from Malvern High School on Long Island. He is now set to attend New York University on a full scholarship, where he will pursue a bachelor's degree in mathematics and physics. Sharing this achievement over a Facebook post, Barry wrote, on 14th May, at the 12-year-old, I am in 12th grade at Malvern High School. Next month is my graduation. Today we had the graduation rehearsal at Malvern High School. I will be the first American who will be graduating from high school at 12. Expressing his gratitude towards his parents, Bari for the role. By the way, I already got accepted at New York University with full scholarship to pursue BS in maths and physics. It did not have possible without the hard work of my mom, dad, and brother. For example, my dad who worked for me like a cab driver. Every day he drive me from Malvern High School to Stony Brook University, and then from Stony Brook University to NYU, and then NYU to home. Even cab driver don't drive 120 miles every day. Thank you, Dad. Somebody says that India is a country where the talents are everywhere, even in the roads. Now, this boy proved this thing again. Maybe he is the son of the Bangladesh immigrants, but his own origin is India. Do you know this boy, who is now known as Isaac? Let us tell you a story of a 12-year-old boy who became Isaac from a normal family. Subarno Bari. Now Subarno Isaac Bari, born on April 9, 2012, is of Indian origin. He is a Bengali American prodigy, and while he was born and raised in the United States, his parents are of Bangladeshi origin. Subarno's Indian connection is further highlighted by the fact that he has been recognized as the youngest American of Indian subcontinent descent to graduate high school. He is currently studying mathematics and physics at New York University on full scholarship. He also has a connection to India through his teaching experience at Ruia College at Mumbai University. And the video says most about things that will give you a shock. He is not only a boy but a 12-year professor.